On October 1st, Republicans in the state of Georgia passed new legislation that allowed them to create what is called a Prosecuting Attorneys Qualification Commission. And on the very same day that the governor signed that legislation and that they created this commission, that same day, Republicans in Georgia said, oh, good, now we've got our little commission here. By the way, we're going to go ahead and file a complaint against Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. So they have now filed a complaint with their newly created Prosecuting Attorneys, Qualification Commission, alleging that Fani Willis, of course, cherry-picked. That's the word they use. She cherry-picked information in order to secure an indictment against Donald Trump and the 18 other co-defendants along with Donald Trump. So they are now calling for an investigation, and this new body that they created, and let's be clear here, they created this commission for the sole purpose of trying to take down Fani Willis. That is 100% what this commission, created by legislation they just passed, is for. Republicans in Georgia are trying to protect Donald Trump, and they passed new legislation to create a committee so that they could go after her. And the committee does, in fact, the commission has the authority to either punish her or remove her from office. So they can just totally get rid of her. If, of course, they determine that she's done something wrong. And I'm sure they're going to pack this commission with people who think the way that they think, and they will make sure that they find the most obscure, stupid thing to kick Fani Willis off of this case. And if they succeed in this, it will likely mean the end of the Georgia prosecution into Donald Trump. But think about this for a minute, folks. This is how desperate those Republicans in Georgia are. They are so desperate that they passed a new law to allow Donald Trump in this roundabout way to break the law in their state. They don't actually care about, prosecutors' qualifications. They don't care what's going on in their jurisdictions. All they're doing is making sure that Donald Trump cannot be prosecuted. So if they go through and they launch this investigation into Fani Willis, which they're already trying to do via the complaint they filed, they will look through every single document she has filed, right? If she forgot to put her initials on one spot where she was supposed to initial, they're going to hold that piece of paper up to the world and say, aha, sloppy, incompetent, grotesquely, cherry picking. She is disqualified and we are removing her from office because mistakes like this absolutely cannot stand. It'll be something minor, but it will be something. They will find something. They will do whatever they have to find something. Question is, can they do it before these cases go to trial? We don't know. But this is grotesque. But come on now. That's pretty much what we expect from the Republican Party in 2023. Ring of Fire has fresh content 7 days a week, so if you want to be reminded about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time a new video goes up.